Here are 5 ways you can make student life more affordable. Number 1. Set a budget as early as possible. When you first start, track what you spend in an average week. If it looks like you're spending too much, see what subscriptions or non-essentials you could cut.
Free apps like Black Bullion can help you budget and track your spending.
Number 2. Don't buy new books. Course books can be very expensive, and a lot of first years fall into the trap of buying brand new books. Shopping online for second-hand books can save you a small fortune, particularly in the first few months. There's also USW's library service. You automatically become a member when you get your student ID card. Number 3. Work while you study. A part-time job can help you support yourself, and there are plenty of part-time opportunities within USW. On campus as an ambassador or a content creator like me. Number 4. Share the weekly shop with friends. Try and get everything you need in one shop to avoid going back and spending more. Sharing, shopping, and cooking together can be sociable and fun, but it can also save you a lot of money. Number 5. Only use your overdraft as a buffer. A lot of new students see their overdraft as free money, but it's not. If you're short of money, it's a handy safety net to have, but never go over your agreed limit. Charges shoot up and you can get stuck in a cycle of debt. Budgeting doesn't have to be stressful. Just try and find what works for you. And if you do find yourself struggling with money when you start uni, USW have a student money advice team who can support and guide you.
You could also be entitled to additional support through USW's scholarships and bursaries.
You've got this.